Hey friend, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and I have a few things to share with you tonight. Oh, my husband's saying goodnight. He's gone to bed already? Oh, well, whatever. I have a special evening day, 24 hours. My kids are enjoying time with Nate. They're enjoying some time up in the mountains. They went fishing. My little guy caught his first trout today. So they're enjoying some time together. So I am getting ready for a brand new launch tomorrow on QVC. It's so awesome. It's exclusive to QVC. For anybody who's an Erin Condren fan, you're not going to want to miss this. It's a brand new planner. I'm just going to show you the cover and I'm going to show you what comes with it. And then tune in tomorrow to QVC between noon and 1 Eastern time. It'll be Terry Kahn and we're going to have a great time sharing this brand new A5 faith planner. This one says, rejoice in the Lord always, and the other one says, let everything you do be done with faith. And then they have metal planner bookmarks or clips that are going to come with it, as well as you'll get a pack of the dual tip markers that I love so much that don't bleed through the awesome paper. And then also you're going to get one of these pen holders, and I love this. All 6 of your markers will fit in here. And what's so cool about it is that it actually stretches and will go over your planner, and it's just such a nice slim design that it doesn't feel bulky, but you can carry all your pens with you and with your planner with the elastic band that goes around, and it also acts like a keeper of your planner or journal as well. So that's coming up tomorrow at noon. But what's important tonight is that you need to hurry up and get over to QVC if you have been interested or have enjoyed me talking about my TableMate tables that I use for crafting. This is actually, you guys are in a TableMate right now. You won't even know this. I'm going to show you. Right now you're sitting in the brand new device holder that even has little access cord ports, and the TableMate is our BFFs here at home. We use them for crafting. We used it to do paint pouring because it cleans up so well. The kids do their school on it. I literally have one at the table to do in my, at the sofa, to do my planning, to do my devotions, to work. I set my computer up on it, and then I can change and tilt all of the angles and everything, and the height size as well. So anyway, the fact of the matter is, usually shipping is about $7 on these, and it's free shipping until 11:59 p.m. Eastern time tonight. And I don't get any commission or kickback or anything for anybody purchasing from these things or these times from QVC. It's just simply I get to present them on QVC, and they're things that I love. And when I see special shipping like this, I like to give a shout out. Same thing with the Jesus Bible. This is the Jesus Bible that I've been talking about a lot. This was gifted to me by somebody very special to my life, and I just love and adore her. And she knew that it just would mean something to me to have this Bible, and it goes so beautifully along with my Erin Condren planners. It's so pretty. It's an NIV Bible, and why it's the Jesus Bible is that there's amazing contributors like Max Lucado and Louis Giglio and other well-known Christian authors who have put together kind of commentary for this Bible to show how the life of Jesus was God's plan from the very beginning of Genesis all the way through Revelation. So it's just a really cool kind of study Bible, extra perspective Bible. I like to use it along with my King James Version and compare different versions of the Bible and get the different perspectives and understanding of the life of Jesus. And so this is something else that's on free shipping. Again, I have no affiliation to any kickbacks or anything like that. It's not an affiliate link. It's not a commissionable thing. It's just something that I really, really, really love and believe in, and I wanted to share that with you. So it's a great opportunity to be able to get in on some of that, It Cosmetics and some of the other things that I've been using often from QVC. All of it is on free shipping until tonight. Like, I guess it ends tonight. So, just taking advantage of the free shipping for things like the table mate that really do make a huge difference in your craft room and in your home and in your life, because it also acts as like a TV tray, again, adjusting the height and the angles. The kids use it as art easels and music stands, and like I said, we adjust it and can slide it in and out. That even when I'm sitting here on the sofa, it can slide all the way up to my stomach. It's just great that, you know, they've updated it to have the new device holders and everything else also. So it's a great price right now. I think it's still on sale, on top of the fact that the free shipping. So I didn't want anybody to miss out on it, because I talk about the table mate so much. I'm actually going to be decorating one of these later. I'm kind of excited to do that. I'm going to do some permanent vinyl on one of my table mates in a little bit. So, hey Stacy, hey Lori, hey Heather, hi Glinda, hi Dolores. You guys are awesome. I hope you're having a great night. Lisa, hello. Hi Diana. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Joanne. Hi, Katie. Thanks for joining tonight. So I'm just really excited. Like I said, I hope you'll tune in tomorrow. I am with Terry Kahn in the noon show. So it's 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you check QVC main channel. It's going to be really awesome. And I'm just so excited to share the brand new Erin Condren Faith Planner Journal. It's like, when it arrived, I quite literally cried when it arrived. What was that? Something just buzzed. I don't know what that was. That was weird. Huh. I quite literally cried when it arrived. I got so excited, and I was filled with just so much joy and excitement to see something that is such a huge passion of mine for hey babe, for women to tell and document their stories and their lives and their faith, and to grow with intention, is something that I started Above Ruby Studio long ago to be able to share and do. And now I get to share that passion with my QVC friends and family through the Erin Condren Faith Journal. So it's just, it was such a huge moment for me. Not that it's about me, but I have seen what the Erin Condren planners have done for so many of you, just making you feel more peaceful, bringing more gratitude into your life, helping you to get more organized and productive in your day-to-day. And that's something that we're going to be doing tomorrow with these faith journals, is really just expanding upon your faith journey, whatever that looks like, wherever you are in that process. It's just a gentle, loving friend coming beside you to encourage you and to just give you a place to document that process. And that's something that excites me so very much. That's why She Makes Club exists to this day. It's why we have live creative hangouts every single month. It's because I want to encourage your story to be written out, to matter, to be something that you can process and tell and grow from in your day-to-day. So I just think that this is such a beautiful, beautiful thing that I'm so excited. Hey, Maria. Hi, Katie. It's huge. So I really, really hope that you'll join us. If you have questions about anything, let me know. But definitely go check out the TableMate. There is the TableMate 2 Deluxe, and then there is the TableMate XL Deluxe. It's the extra large, which is just awesome. They completely fold and collapse away. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I mean, I've done quite a few presentations on them on QVC. So this isn't supposed to be a presentation. This is just supposed to be a PSA, free shipping, especially since I'm not on air with it today. I didn't want you to miss out on that opportunity to be able to grab a hold of that. I am really excited for some videos that I was working on today. We've been working on some really special new projects for Inside She Makes Club. May 1st starts our 31-day She Makes Her Life journey, and we are using the most beautiful, if you haven't seen it yet or checked out that other video that I did with it, it is the most amazing, most beautiful kit I've ever seen in my life. It's called You Are Enough. I cried when I saw this too. It just seems like all the stars of everything that God has put together and in my life are all aligning all at once. and I'm beyond excited and blessed for it. I'm here for it. This is the most beautiful color scheme of gem colors and blues and pinks and wine colors all coming together. The official color palette, oh, and rose gold. The official color palette is Bluebell, Ballerina, Sangria, Sapphire, Peach, Glacier, and rose gold foil. And look at this, boss babe. Look at the butterflies. So if you followed me for a while, you know butterflies have become a huge thing. You also know the phrase be strong is a huge thing for me since the loss of my sister. And look at this. It's butterflies that say brave, strong, enough, wonderful, and beautiful with gemstones, which, by the way, is a big part of She Makes Club and what Above Ruby's Studio was started by. So I was just like, when I saw this, I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Glow getter. Follow your heart. You already have what it takes. Put your positive pants on. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. Make today count. Be kind, be true, be you. You are brave, strong, enough, wonderful, beautiful. Thank you. Rise and shine. It's such a gorgeous thing. So we're going to be featuring this all May long. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. We're doing the 31 days She Makes Her Life journey, and so we'll be doing live videos all throughout May inside She Makes Club, and I just think it's going to be a really powerful and impactful May in 2021. I'm really thrilled by it. We do kind of a 30-day, 31-day, we used to call it a challenge, but since 2020 hit, I don't feel like we need challenges anymore. We don't need any more challenges thrown at us in life. We want to keep rising. We want to keep doing better. We want to keep growing and expanding for sure. But do we need one more challenge thrown in our face? No. So I'm calling this the She Makes Her Life journey. And it's a 31-day journey of going forward, growing, setting goals, setting intentions, and making beautiful things with our Cricut, with crafting, with creating, and to make a life that we love, to make a life that we can remember and look back on. And it's so stinking awesome that we get to do this. So, and also, I mean, I'll just say one more time, the faith planner that we're launching tomorrow, yeah, it's going to be really cool to go along with what we're doing too, but it's not required. Totally not required. It's just fun. I don't think I have anything else that I really wanted to like share. Oh, yes, I can message you more information, Ellen Sue, but you can also check out, if you really want to learn more, you can visit shemakes.club, www.shemakes.club, and you get all the information there. And of course, you can just visit qvc.com, type in TableMate in the search bar. You can type in the Jesus Bible. You can type in Erin Condren, It Cosmetics. You can type in Rowenta, all the fun things, even Cricut. Guys, Cricut, free shipping and handling until 11:59 tonight on QVC.com. Something you don't want to miss. I know you don't. Hi, Shirley. Hi, Lori. Hi, Diane. Thanks for joining tonight. I think that's all for this evening. I'm going to be... Well, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to jump on live quick before we go live for the show. I'll do a little behind the scenes setup and a little shout out to get you guys up and going and tuning into QVC and to see more of exactly what's inside the brand new Erin Condren faith planner that we'll be sharing again starting tomorrow at noon. So don't miss it. I'll see you soon. Enjoy the moments. Bye.